What's up, boys and girls? Hobbybox back with another group break. This is group break number 1074. Another single tin of Premier. Last one from the case. Draft style. Everybody drafted Oilers first. Kit TNT with the wings. All the way down to Nick and the Jackets. Last one is 596 and then 014. Let's see what we get. Oops. Come on, let's finish with a bang. A little bit thicker here, either a booklet or another double Premier or another double patch. It's another one patch, one patch, one RPA, one patch. Going up to the Chicago Blackhawks, Maymay, Ryan Hartman, rookie jersey. Could be super rookie, yeah. All I know is it doesn't have the feeling the acetates have from the side. Next one going to the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hannafin, 228 of 399, a rookie. Carolina is Maymay again. Another Carolina hit, 225 of 399, a rookie, Brock McGinn for the Hurricanes. For the Washington Capitals, number 136 of 399, base Evgeny Kuznetsov. Going out to Maymay and the Capitals. Maymay so far is taking the first 4 cards of the box. Next one going out to the Canucks. Number 362 of 375, rookie patch autograph, Brandon Gaunce. Maymay taking the 5th card from the box. Wow. Maymay's on fire. Next one is our mega patch. 3 of 6 for the Ottawa Senators and Andrew Hammond going to Andy Y. No, not Maymay. Going to Andy. It's 3 of 6, Andrew Hammond. Next one going out to the Buffalo Sabres. Jack Eichel, rookie jersey. Buffalo is Andy as well. So Andy and Maymay splitting the box. Last but not least, going out to the Dallas Stars. 221 of 399, rookie autograph, Brandon Ranford. Brandon Ranford, Dallas is DW604. That does it for this and the case of this side of it, at least. UD Premier. We'll open the next case on Friday and see what we can do. That's it. Thank you, guys.